Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to allow everyone to see your birthday on the Telegram app for PC, following the latest update. If you want your friends, contacts, or even new people to easily view your birthday, this guide will walk you through every step in just a few moments. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings we're about to change. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines. This is the main menu icon. Click on it to open the menu options. From here, find and select Settings. In the Settings section, scroll until you see the option called Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps all your privacy preferences and visibility controls. Go ahead and click on it. Now, inside the Privacy and Security page, look for something called Birthday Privacy. It's one of the newer features included in the recent update, giving users more control over who can see their birthday on Telegram. Click on Birthday Privacy to open the settings. You'll notice several visibility options such as Nobody, My Contacts, and Everybody. To make your birthday visible to everyone, even those who aren't saved in your contacts, choose Everybody. This ensures that anyone who visits your profile on Telegram will be able to see your birthday information clearly. After you've selected Everybody, don't forget to click on Save. This step is important, as it confirms your new privacy setting and applies the change instantly. And that's it. You've just updated your Telegram birthday visibility to everybody. From now on, anyone on the app will be able to see your birthday whenever they visit your profile.